today we're going to be doing an unboxing of one of our dual plate check valves, in particular the HG01-6-625. That's a 6-hole AWWA C503 to a 6-hole AWWA C503 hydrant. All right, well, let's get to it. Here we go. Okay, so every box that is shipped, you'll just a handful of places, you'll see you got your part number here and a serial number there for reference. Opening it up here inside, a little bit of extra packaging. We've got our specification sheet and installation instructions. 2 EPDM gaskets. Off to the side here. So when you get into it, first thing you're going to notice is everything is 100% stainless steel. As far as the valve goes, the hardware itself is not all stainless steel standard. Right here we have our breakaway bolts. These are zinc plated grade 2, 6 of those. And you're going to have 6 nuts going up to the hydrant, 6 nuts going down to the riser. Appropriate number of washers, and then we have our stainless steel set screws, 3-inch 5/8 11 for this particular version. At the time of a strike, what happens is the hollow bolts are going to break, and the connection between the bottom of the hydrant and the top of the valve will be gone, allowing the pins to move, and the water will actually actuate the plates, moving them to the closed position, stopping the water. We've worked really hard at minimizing any maintenance that's required. That's why everything's 100% stainless steel. We have a 316 body, 316 valve plates. It's just elegantly simple.